Okay, we're on page 91 here. Hold on. Yeah, we're good. Come on. What's going on here? Okay. Okay. All right, so now we're looking at some multiple meaning words. Okay, so multiple meaning words have more than one meaning. For example, a pupil can be a student or a part of your eye. To determine which meaning is correct in a particular sentence, pay attention to context clues. So, you guys know what context clues are? When you're reading something and you come across a word that you don't know, a lot of times you can figure out the meaning of that word by looking at the other words around it, right? Does that make sense? Okay, so it says the noun plant is a multiple meaning word. It can refer to a tree, flower, or other living thing that is not an animal. It can also refer to a place where goods are manufactured or made. Read each sentence. Circle context clues that clarify the meaning of plants. All living things, humans, animals, and plants, need water to survive. Sometimes fresh water becomes contaminated, polluted with garbage, raw sewage, or harmful chemicals from nearby manufacturing plants. Okay, so manufacturing plants, what is that? Is that actual like an actual tree? No. What a plant? Like I'm going to a yeah, like a power plant. That's not a flower planted in the ground, right? A power plant is like a big operation, a big thing that's going on to produce power, right? Okay. All right, so let's look at this. Droughts have become more common in recent years. Okay, so the part of speech is common, okay, and it's an adjective, and common means frequent, right? So if I said it's a common thing for Nash to make a basket, that means he makes a lot of baskets, right? It's very common. We see it a lot. Okay, number 2. What do the two regions have in common? Okay, I need you to write down adjective in the part of speech section. Adjective. You guys go ahead and write that in the part of speech section. Okay, so you're going to write adjective. What does common mean in number 2? What do the two regions have in common? What does that mean? Yeah. Okay, write that over here on the definition. How they are the same. What do the two regions have in common? And it's how they are the same. Okay, number 3. During a drought, people may need to store water. Okay, in this situation, is store, is it like an action that things do, or is it like the store, like a thing or a place that you go to? A thing you do. So it is a verb. Verb. Okay, so you're going to write verb next to number 3. And then you need to write a definition for it. What would be a good definition for store, as in I'm going to store water? Okay, but what's a definition for that? Like, what does that mean? Okay. Okay. To conserve or save, right? You're conserving or saving the water. Okay. Next one. Okay, so what's this one? Is this going to be a verb or a noun? Noun. Why? The store is a place, right? Some people buy water at the store. That's like a person, place, thing, or idea. So it's a noun. And what is it? What's a good definition for a store? A place you can. Yeah. A place where you can go purchase things, right? So put the definition down there. Okay, number 5 is the word strike. Okay? And this is a verb. Okay? The drought will strike by summer is the one that they used, the sentence they used. Okay, so the next one, number 6, is strike, and it's a verb, which means to hit something as with the hand, right? So what's a good sentence we could use for that one? I would never. Okay, you could use like lightning strike, right? Okay, I was going to use the one like I would never strike a child, meaning like I would never hit a child, right? Okay, you could, going on strike, yeah, but this one is using to hit something with the hand. Okay, so strike. I want you to write a sentence for that. I would never strike a child. I would never strike my dog. I am sitting here jigging, waiting for a big Mackinaw fish to strike my line, right? Something like that. Okay, that was number 6. Okay, and then number 7 is the word present. And this is a noun, so it's a thing. So when you're talking about a present that is a thing, what would that mean? Like a birthday present or a Christmas present. Okay, you need to write a sentence using the word present as a noun. Okay, and the bottom present is like I am present, which means what? I'm here, right? Like you're here. Okay, good. Okay, so present, it means like it's a noun meaning existing or occurring now, right? Okay, so I am presently in Mr. Calder's class. My present, I am presently in school. Okay, those would all work. Make sure you are present when we have the party. Okay? All right, we're going to stop it right there. I'll get this uploaded.